Hi, everyone. How are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Onion. I belong to the genus Allium and I am part of the Amaryllidaceae family. My scientific name is Allium cepa. I am also known as bulb onion because I have a bulbous, underground structure composed of fleshy leaves, which stores nutrients and allows me to survive during unfavorable conditions. You can reproduce me through seeds, or by dividing my bulbs. My leaves are long, hollow, and tube-like in shape. I am known for my pungent flavor and distinctive aroma. Soak me in cold water or milk to reduce or neutralize my pungent odor. There are numerous types of onions found around the world, with variations in size, color, and flavor. Some popular types include red onions, white onions, yellow onions, sweet onions such as Vidalia and Walla Walla, shallots, and green onions, also known as scallions. These are just a few examples, and there are many more. Onion varieties cultivated and enjoyed globally. Yellow onions are the most popular cooking onions because they add excellent flavor to most stews, soups, and meat dishes. Red onion oil helps in maintaining the pH level of the scalp. This also helps to improve circulation and stimulates hair growth. Applying red onion oil helps nourish the scalp and makes the hair stronger. It is enriched with antioxidants, which boosts hair volume and adds a shine to your tresses. I come in different colors: white, yellow, red, purple, pink, and green. Each color has a unique flavor and is used in various culinary dishes. It is thought that the onion originated more than 5,000 years ago in Central Asia. I am considered one of the most ancient food sources. The top producers of onions in the world are China, India, and the United States. But the rankings may vary depending on the year and specific data sources. I contain essential vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, and potassium, which are crucial for maintaining your overall health and supporting various bodily functions. My antioxidants such as quercetin can boost your immune system and safeguard your cells against damage caused by free radicals. I possess compounds like quercetin and sulfur compounds, which have anti-inflammatory effects. By consuming me, you can help reduce inflammation in your body. Including me in your diet can help lower your risk of heart disease. I can help by lowering cholesterol, reducing blood pressure, and improving your heart health. Studies have shown that I contain certain compounds that are associated with a reduced risk of specific cancers, particularly stomach and colorectal cancers. Being a good source of dietary fiber, I promote healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut. When you cut an onion, it releases a compound called synpropanethyl sulfur oxide, which is responsible for the tears and the pungent smell. To prevent onion-induced tears, chill onions, cut underwater, or wear goggles for eye protection. I can be dried and ground into a powder to be used as a seasoning or flavor enhancer. My scent can repel certain pests in gardens, making me a natural insect deterrent. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the largest onion weighs 18 pounds, 8.5 kilograms. Tony Glover in the UK grew this onion of mammoth proportions. I am a staple ingredient in cuisines around the world and am used in a wide variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and stir-fries. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.